Hi, this is Jeff at Alpine Professional Carpet Care. And so this was my convenient hose. I had a splitter right here, and here's where I'd fill up my emulsifier jug. Well, it's all chewed up because I ran over it. But anyway, and this was the shut on and off valve, which popped out like this, and there was a splitter. So this was my old convenient hose. You know, it just had a thing there, and then it had the splitter right here, and that's what I use for my convenient hose. But now I got this one from Wanderers Products from Joe Brister, and so this is my new convenient hose. I asked him for a 10-foot one. It's got a shut-off valve here. It's got a sprayer on the end here, and you can clip it out, and then you could just fill up your 5-gallon emulsifier jug or your inline sprayer. So this is how it works. You just pop this in right here, and you keep this shut off, and then you can keep using your hose here. And then when you want, you can put this in to spray, and then, or if you want some other jet nozzles here, there's a bunch of different types of jet nozzles. This is a down sprayer and like a 45 degree, a 15 degree, and a bullet nozzle. And I'll show you how it works. So I'm just going to turn it on real quick. Convenient hose from Joe Brister. And the shut-off valves right here. See, it works pretty good. Well, thanks for watching.